Okay, so here I've got tech number 3. This one is the QR code generator. The hyphen QR code hyphen generator.com. Now this one, a lot of people have probably seen QR code stuff before, but this one kind of has a little bit of a twist, or it allows me to use it for a little twist. Oftentimes, or the teacher that was before me, when we have seminar period, which is like a study hall, students leave the classroom, enter the classroom, whatever, and they used to fill out their, when they left and entered and stuff on a sheet of paper, and I kind of got tired. I didn't want a notebook sitting around with paper, and I wanted to save some paper and kind of also save time. So what I figured out for this next year is to go ahead and use this QR code generator. So what I need to do is like if you use a Google form, so I've created this Google form, you copy the URL here and then post it into this thing, into the URL of the QR code generator, and you can shorten it if you want to. Now what I have to do, and just for time's sake I'm not going to do it, but you could just screenshot this QR code, or you could save it as an image or as a file, PNG, SVG, or EPS format, name it and whatnot, and I could do that, and I could say like hall pass, save, and then I would just have to go in through my downloads and put that QR code onto a doc, a Google Doc or Microsoft Word, whatever. Paste that on there, and then just print out that QR code, and then I just could set that on my desk, and then kids could scan that with their phone, or I have an iPad in my room, so they could scan it also with the iPad. Then it'll send them to this hall pass thing. They would fill out their name, what class period it is, where they're going, whether they're leaving or entering, and then I can go down and look at the responses. So this could be used for bathroom passes, which is a great idea if you want to keep track of when kids go to the bathroom. Then it could also be used for just like seminar, like I really want to use it for just kids that are leaving and entering, so you can kind of see some common trends in like where they're going, or like the bathroom thing. If you want to keep track, and it's like, oh, this kid's going to the bathroom every single day, you can see that. So why I selected this resource, it's a great tool to manage students leaving, entering the classroom, and keeping track of that, and sorting it out online, and it's easy to use. You literally just have to have the URL pasted in there, save the file as a PNG, and then just put that on a doc. What was my purpose? I just want to find an online resource for managing bathroom passes and seminar students. My intended audience, teachers, mostly, because other teachers would use it, but then also the students would use that as well. And also I could teach students how to use these QR codes to their to their benefit with whatever things that they want to do, that they want to link these QR codes to if they want to. The 2 ISTE standards covered: ISTE 5C, explore and apply instructional design principles to create innovative digital learning environments that engage and support learning. So this would just allow me to apply an innovative and make an innovative learning environment by adding this technology to be able to help engage and support the learning in kind of a side manner. And also ISTE 7C, use assessment data to guide progress and communicate with students, parents, and education stakeholders to build student self-direction. So this would be great because I would have the data that I could sort out by student and figure out, hey, this kid's going to the bathroom an awful lot. It may be attributing to maybe their lower grade. So you could just have that as proof, like this student is going to the bathroom, leaving too much of this student. Hey, they're in class all the time, doing great. Big things, always paying attention. So it could work either way. So that is the QR code generator.